KFC. No one chickened out as fast food franchise made meal deals for its golden anniversary.
We don't know why I'm putting name chicken. Eh? Why do I put the name chicken? Eh? Why do I put the name chicken? And come and tell me say nice finger licking. Chicken.
Glass cracked, cop lashing out, peering inside.
Why do I put the name chicken?
Pushing, shoving, and piling up to get in. The scene Wednesday at 41 KFC outlets across the island. One man taking no chances, beating the line with his pillow in anticipation of the Freeness frenzy to come.
Me first.
Whichever way you pluck it, Jamaicans can't seem to get enough of the unofficial national dish.
Here, but I order for my 5 kids there. So them eat chicken till them wake.
3 hours I'm in here, we can't get served all now.
You've been here for 3 hours?
I was from 9 o'clock, more than 3 for after 1 now.
About 3 hours, I'm going to me yard.
I ordered 3 big deals so I can get 3 free meal deals.
This I get out on.
No, it get more than out on because I tell you, out there so people are shoot down people just to come in now. That's why little baby nearly get step on while ago just through the whole of them are supposed to come in. Just to come in for get KFC and you can buy a pound of chicken and cook in your yard.
No chance. KFC the finger-licking good fast food of choice. But the competition popping up with a snarky comment. If it takes more than 30 minutes, it's not fast food.
They should have given me extra car KFC at 50 and me at 50.
What stuck in mind was a picture that I saw on social media of a gentleman camped out at a restaurant from 6 a.m. He was the first customer there. It was amazing because it just goes to show the passion and the loyalty and the brand affinity that KFC has here in Jamaica. We are grateful for it, I must say. We expected a tremendous response. We know Jamaicans love KFC. They have loved us for 50 years. That's why we're the #1 quick service restaurant brand.
No quick service today.
I think, Mr. KFC, you need to organize the thing more better. You can't have one outlet with 2 cashiers and it's a promotion.
And big up the cashier there. See her there, Miss Hines. Big up.
And big up Miss Johnson. Big up Miss Johnson. The best. The best. The best worker at Hold Up with Miss Johnson.
Buy a big deal, get a free meal deal, the mantra of the day.
We saw something similar a few years back with our Crazy Tuesday promotion, which was a 7-piece of chicken promotion for $1,000 at the time. Hundreds of thousands of persons would have moved through for sure.
When you see pictures on social media of, people being roughed up and literally trampling each other, are concerns like that important because they could possibly damage your brand?
Absolutely. We love the support. We appreciate our loyal customers. Exercise patience, exercise self-control, exercise care for your fellow customers. There's enough product. There are enough opportunities to access our brand.
5 meal deals per person, and while stocks last, the disclaimer. So some KFC zealots sure to leave empty-handed before the day was out.
We regret to not be able to satisfy everyone because, it's a numbers game. We'll have deals at another point. It's a Crazy Tuesday type day on a Wednesday. But even if you're not able to get this deal today, keep coming back because KFC is always here for you.
It's nice, but enjoy it. Yeah. Wanna mind it at me every day.
Not sure we could handle that, but whether it's a special ingredient or just top-notch chicken, Jamaicans sure love their KFC.
We don't know why I'm putting name chicken. Eh? Why do I put the name chicken? Eh? Why do I put the name chicken? And come and tell me say nice finger licking. Chicken.